Chapter 16, Sloka 2. Ahimsa Satyamakrodha. Ahimsa Satyamakrodha. Ahimsa Satyamakrodha. Tyaga Shantirapaishunam. Tyaga Shantirapaishunam. Tyaga Shantirapaishunam. Ahimsa Satyamakrodha. 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 Tyaga Shantirapaishunam. Daya Bhuteshvaloluptvam. Daya Bhuteshvaloluptvam. Daya Bhuteshvaloluptvam. Mardavam Hrirachapalam. Mardavam Hrirachapalam. Mardavam Hrirachapalam. Daya Bhuteshvaloluptvam. 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 Mardavam Hrirachapalam. Ahimsa Satyamakrodha. Tyaga Shantirapaishunam. Daya Bhuteshvaloluptvam. Mardavam Hrirachapalam.
Please like and share this video because you could be instrumental in helping someone around the world recite the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, thereby helping them to have a life of unending opulence, victory and prosperity. This is mentioned in chapter 18, Sloka 78. Yes, don't forget to buy my book, Leadership Can Be Child's Play. Namaste.